Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name's Anais, and today I thought I would do a different video, and I love watching these videos so much. So it's an expectations versus reality. I have decided to do a morning routine so you can see my expectations for getting ready in the morning and the reality of me getting ready in the morning. So if you did like this video, please smash a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. So the first struggle is definitely waking up in the morning. The expectation can be you wake up early so you get an extra half an hour in bed, or the reality can be that you press snooze on your alarm so many times that when you wake up, you've only got 5 minutes to get ready. Perfect. Another half an hour in bed. Oh crap. So the next expectation is having the best skincare ever, to have flawless skin so you can have multiple face washes, toners in the morning, or the reality is you're in such a rush you just grab the worst thing, face wipes. Then you've got the expectation of choosing an outfit, so you can literally just choose an outfit straight away that you love wearing for the day, or the reality is more like you go through your wardrobe trying to find any outfit that will do. You've got jumpers with stains on that you haven't washed, and you can't find anything that you want to wear. What to wear today? Easy, that outfit's so cute. I've got nothing to wear. The next expectation is being able to do your makeup with lots of time to spare, so you can do your mascara lovely, you can put your lipstick on, but the reality is that in the morning you're in such a rush you've only got time for concealer, mascara and a little bit of lipstick. Then you've got the expectation of taking down that nasty bed hair and for your hair to be perfectly curled, looking amazing, flawless, or you've got the reality where you try and grip your hair up and it all just starts falling down and you just have a bad hair day. Then you've got the expectation of starting your university work or your college work. So you get all your books, your notebook, you get your laptop, and the expectation is that you're able to finish it within an hour of doing it. But the reality is that you actually close the tab of what you're doing and go onto Netflix and watch a film. The final expectation in the morning is to have the most healthy breakfast. For me, my personal favourite is golden syrup with lots of berries on top, but the reality is I look in my fridge and I've just got a mouldy old orange left to eat. So I really hoped you liked this video of the expectations versus reality in the morning. I know I certainly have some days with the expectation, but most of them are the reality. Comment down below if you can relate to this video, and please smash a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. I post every Thursday at 6 o'clock, so I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!